Financial inclusion and development. This role encapsulates the essence of renewed national focus on financial inclusion, promoting financial education and literacy, and making credit available to productive sectors of the economy, including the rural and MSME sectors. Overview. Credit flow to priority sectors, macro policy formulation to strengthen credit flow to priority sectors, ensuring priority sector lending becomes a tool for banks for capturing untapped business opportunities among the financially excluded sections of the society. Financial inclusion and financial literacy. Help expand Prime Minister's Jan Dhan Yojana (PMJDY) to become a sustainable and scalable financial inclusion initiative. Credit flow to MSME. Stepping up credit flow to micro, small and medium enterprises, that is MSME sector, rehabilitation of sick units through timely credit support. Institutions. Strengthening institutional arrangements such as State Level Bankers Committee, SLBC, Lead Bank Scheme, etc. to facilitate achievement of above objectives. Our approach. Policy formulation by taking inputs from interaction with stakeholders and robust and timely management information system through collection of reliable data, statutory and otherwise. Looking ahead, more powerful communication of Reserve Bank's priority sector definition to stakeholders, more frequent and close monitoring of priority sector target achievements of banks, effective monitoring through state level bankers committees, that is SLBCs, putting in place simple and clear guidelines on evaluation of extent of crop loss where calamity is on account of production effectiveness, assess the regional, sectoral, industry-wise disparities in credit flow to MSEs, sharing success stories of various players, private, PSBs, RRBs, co-ops on stepping up flow of credit to MSMEs, engage with the curriculum setting bodies like the National Council of Educational Research and Training NCERT, education boards like Central Board for Secondary Education CBSE, central and state governments to try and embedded financial concepts in schools curriculum. Legal framework. Reserve Bank of India Act 1934. Note: the Indian economy has changed since priority sector lending guidelines are conceived. There is a need to reorient guidelines towards today's growth and inclusion agenda. As such, an internal working group was constituted by the Reserve Bank with the objective of revisiting the existing priority sector lending guidelines and suggesting revised guidelines in alignment with the national priorities as well as financial inclusion goals of the country. The objectives also included suggesting ways on how to achieve the priority sector targets in the most effective way, as well as measures to be taken in case of underachievement of priority sector targets. The working group has focused on channeling credits to segments and get crowded out in the absence of specific targets. These include small and marginal farmers, micro enterprises, and the weaker sections, while broadening the scope to include other underserved, under-reserved categories of national priority such as agricultural infrastructure, social infrastructure, renewable energy, exports and medium-sized enterprises. The report is currently under examination of Reserve Bank.